I am with Alfa Romeo here at the Los Angeles Auto Show. In front of me is the 2020 model year Stelvio Quadrifoglio. A couple of new enhancements we have for the 2020 model year obviously include the body color lower fascia kit that adds body color fascias, lower sills, and a rear fascia there. Adds a much more premium look to the vehicle, which is standard on base sport models and above. But really, this is a premium mid-size utility vehicle that delivers not only the utility that the customers have come to expect with the added storage space, etc. in the rear, but also the driving dynamics that everybody wants in an Alfa Romeo. It looks true characteristically an Alfa Romeo. It stands out from the pack. You know that it's a little bit different from that V Scudetto grille, a design element we've been using on our vehicles for over 75 years. The interior enhancements include a new 8.8-inch touchscreen, as well as a redesigned console, standard Sirius XM radio for 12 months, a 12-month subscription to connected services, including lock, unlock, remote start, SOS call, and etc. Really a true package that have delivered on some of the core enhancements that we've been looking to make for the 20 mile.